Okay, now we got 9 minutes more, so let me finish playing it.
I don't see it saying it anywhere. I just thought it was automatic level control. It's a little older than I realized because it doesn't have an eject button. You have to open it up. I'll demonstrate all of this to you, while I'm talking back through the
That's a good
miniature
speaker.
little boombox here.
All by
I think
itself.
this was made before there was really boom boxes. This is what the early boom box looked like. But I'm going to try to do another song of mine.
I don't know if this is AC bias or not.
And
DC
lower
or AC
the levels
bias.
because I'm thinking, no, heck no,
Has some
this is
good
not
sound to it.
automatic level control. Hold on. Go on, move. Hey there. Hey there. I met you. And I thought we had something special. But that was to show ya you don't really know somebody till they go off like a nut. Okay. That was much better sounding by my ear. I did not know this was not level control. It makes a big difference to get those levels right if it's not automatic level control. It just comes out like one big noisy mess. And as you can see, the second recording came out pretty nice. Just Like a Baby is a pretty cool song with some cool riffs and a guitar and some cool drum beating that I came up with, and too bad both you didn't really get to hear it the way you're supposed to on both times. Maybe I'll make a third attempt to do that song at another recording, but unfortunately, I don't feel like doing it again. Maybe I'll try it one more time just to see if it. I know it'll go. I got the levels set. So I'm going to stop right here and try to do this song the right way. Come on. You got to back on your Okay, I think that about did it. That sounds much better because that's a heavy riff song, and there's me, singing. I kind of got a rock voice, so when I sing, I belt that rocky little rusty little voice, You know, so, I mean, it goes, I sing better with rock, and I can also sing jazz. But I'm a little rusty on the R&B, you know, you know, what can I say? You know, everybody has a voice for something. And mine is like, you know, powerful riffs with rock and jazzy, you know, types of music. And I probably, if I tried other music, I could play, you know, probably do it. I mean, you know, I could do spoken word, of course, and, but this is what tape recorders are for. To, like, you know, do a recording and start, I can actually do this recording and speak to my audience right now and add things to it as my voice is rolling on here. I can add another speaker, I could do a lot of different things. And this is what I want to bring to my channel, is to use what I have and keep an eye on new products too. You know, I don't mean new products, old stuff. You know, if I could just, you know, find some of the thrift stores that I used to go to basically shut down, which is a real bummer. I was looking for them and they're gone. And then the one down at the Blind Center's, you know, $5 for $1 store, it's still there. And I can still go get my $5 for $1 tapes and albums. It's just so freaking cold out today because I feel like really going and going thrifting today, but it's just too cold. And I will be doing a fresh finds pretty soon. As soon as I get out there, and who knows, I might just go out there anyway today. So, and might have, you know, several, I mean, expect several videos to come up, you know, from me in one day, you know, because, you know, this is, you know, I don't want this, you know, my channel to die out. I had to delete a lot of my channels, but I'm not going to put a video up just because, oh, let me put a video up just to have something up here. No, you know I love General Electric. And if I find a new General Electric out there, I'm sure as hell going to pick it up. I have been told I'm a hoarder because of all of these electronics. But, you know, if push come to shove, you know, I'm having fun with it, and it's my hobby, you know. And so, you know, I think a lot of you that, you know, do the same thing that I do get, you know, people saying, why do you have all of this, you know? And I'm thinking, well, why don't you have some of this, you know? So, you know how it goes. So I'm going to sign off for now. And this is my first recording of the day. See ya.
Okay, I really do have to run because I think I'm up to 20 minutes and my camera's back up to 9 minutes again. So, see ya.